FluoRender tutorial. Colocalization analysis. We have improved the colocalization analysis functions in FluoRender. To demonstrate, we first load an example dataset of 3 channels. We examine this dataset by isolating each channel. The red channel contains a vertical bar of evenly distributed high-intensity signals. The green channel contains a horizontal bar of gradually decreasing intensities toward its border. The blue channel contains very low intensity signals distributed radially. To analyze the colocalization between channels, unhide all channels first. Then, open the colocalization window. Click the Colocalize button to display the analysis result. Click Auto Update to instantly update the analysis results whenever a setting now is changed. The analysis result is an n by n matrix within the total number of channels. The diagonal of the matrix are voxel counts for channel 1, 2, and 3. A matrix element, such as row 1 column 2, is the voxel count of the overlap between channel 1 and 2. And the same for channel 1 and 3, channel 2 and 3, etc. There are several options to customize the output format. Click Ratio to show a percentage value for each matrix element. The diagonal of the matrix all has 100% ratio. Element 1, 2 is the ratio of the overlap between channel 1 and 2 over channel 1, while element 2, 1 is the ratio of the same overlap over channel 2. Other elements are similarly calculated. Click Intensity Weighted to count the voxels by their intensity values normalized between 0 to 1. Click Physical Size to show their physical sizes. Click Color Map to add a background color to the matrix elements. The format options can be used together. For example, checking both ratio and intensity weighted shows the ratios of intensity weighted voxels. Checking intensity weighted and physical size shows the physical sizes weighted by intensity values. There are also 3 methods for calculating the overlaps. The default uses thresholding and logical AND. The second method computes the overlap by the smaller intensity value between 2 channels for each voxel. The third method calculates the overlap as the product of the normalized intensity values. Colocalization analysis can be performed within Paint selected regions. Check Use Selection to enable this feature. We choose the red channel to select a subregion of the vertical bar. Then, right-click the red channel and select Copy Mask. Right-click the green channel and select Paste Mask. Do the same for the blue channel. Now, the colocalization analysis results are updated to show the selected subregions only. In conclusion, the improved colocalization analysis functions in FluoRender provides more flexibilities and allows instant results.